here to learn more about image, text, and design. We're mostly doing some Photoshop right now, and we're taking pictures of the camps. There are 5 camps, and we're going to do brochures about them.
I'm Ian Yannicone, and I picked image, text, and design because I wanted to learn more about cameras, because I want to do it as a hobby, and we're just working with Photoshop right now.
So we're using the Canon camera. We have a wide angle and telephoto. Those are the 2 lenses we use. The telephoto is a big one, and we use it to zoom in like the drone. It was really high and only we could see it. And the wide angle was for portraits and plants and what people are doing.
Like, we created brochures, like Steph said, and we were editing the photos that we took and adding and making like posters for every single camp that the STEM camp has for everybody.
We're involving all camps in it because we're explaining what STEM camp is all about. So we're gonna do a front and a back, obviously. So we're just taking pictures of every single camp, and we're gonna put or collage them and explain them what each camp is doing. So that's what our brochure is about.
Honestly, like, the experience of just photography in general, like my sister is a photographer, and I've learned like little bits and pieces from her, but like this is like so much bigger. Like, now I really want like the camera just like as a hobby, like to take pictures, because like I've gotten so much more experience from this than anything.